Hi बच्चा लोग, how are you all? Today's topic is midpoint theorem. What is midpoint theorem and related sums? Everything we'll discuss in this video. But before that, let me tell you that midpoint theorem is very important for class 9, 10, even 11 and 12. Okay, so without delaying, let's start with the theorem. What is that theorem? We'll discuss after that. I will discuss few sums related to midpoint theorem. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you what is called midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem is related to a triangle. So let us draw a triangle first. After that, we'll discuss. So this is the triangle ABC. Okay, where M is the midpoint of AB. Okay, M is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB, and N is the midpoint of AC. These two are given. Okay. M is the midpoint of AB, N is the midpoint of AC. These two are given. If these two are given, then we can write that MN is parallel to BC. Yes, MN is a line will become parallel to BC. Understood? So if M is the midpoint of AB, N is the midpoint of AC, then the line joined by MN will be parallel to the third side, that is BC, will be parallel. So if these two are given, then we can write this. Okay, this is midpoint theorem. Understood? Now, not only that, we can discuss or we can state few more steps from that. See how this is one set. We'll see another set here. If M is the midpoint of AB, M is the midpoint of AB, and MN parallel to BC, MN is parallel to BC. Yes, these two are given now. These two are given. M is the midpoint of AB. MN is parallel to BC, then we can write that N is the midpoint of AC. Understood? So if these two are given, then we can write this. If these two are given, then we can write this. Not only that, one more step is there. See how? If I'm giving you that N is the midpoint of AC, N is the midpoint of AC, MN is parallel to BC, then I can say that M is, means if these two are given, then M is the midpoint of AB. Understood? This is another set. Okay, so this is midpoint theorem. So in midpoint theorem, a triangle is there. If you take the midpoint of those two sides, if you join that, you get a line. That line becomes parallel to this. This is the first set. In the second set, I can say that if M is the midpoint of AB, MN is parallel to BC. Okay, these two are given. Then we can say that N is the midpoint of AC. Understood? In this third set, N is the midpoint of AC, MN parallel BC, then I can say that M is the midpoint of AB. So these three sets you have to store it here, yes, here, so that you can solve the sums related to midpoint theorem very easily. Okay. Now, above all, one more information is there in midpoint theorem. What is that information? That information is, I can say that if all the conditions are satisfied, or any one condition is satisfied, I mean even for this and this, what I can write extra? See, I can write AM by AB. Okay, AM by AB equal to AN by AC equal to MN by BC. Okay, this by total, this by total, and this by total. This one we can write. Understood? Don't forget this. Okay. I mean, see, AC. AM is half of AC. AB. Sorry. AM is half of AB. Why? Because M is the midpoint. Understood? M is the midpoint of AB. So I can say that AM is half of AB. Okay. So M is half of AB. I mean AB is double of AM, AB is double of AM. So instead of AB, I can write double of AM. Any problem? AM I'm keeping the same. AB is just double of AM. Why double of AM? Because M is the midpoint of AB. Now AN I'm keeping same. AC. Now what is AC? AC is double of AN. Double of AN. Equal to MN. MN I am keeping same as usual, MN by BC. So AM cancel, AN cancel. So what I'm getting, 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to MN by BC. Understood? Fine. Now, if I cross multiply it, this one, if I cross multiply it, what I'm getting? I will get BC equal to 2MN. Okay, BC equal to 2MN. Understood? That means BC is double of MN. Okay, so if we join the midpoints of two sides, then this line becomes parallel to this, plus this third side becomes double of the line joining by the midpoints. Understood? This is called midpoint theorem. Okay, now let me tell you a sum so that you can understand the midpoint theorem in a better way. Let me tell you that sum. Say, in a triangle ABC, ABC is a triangle, okay, M is the midpoint of AB, M is the midpoint of AB, and a straight line through M, a straight line through M, parallel to BC. This is parallel to BC. So what is given in the question? First of all, what is given in the question? That M is the midpoint of AB, this parallel to this. That means this condition. M is the midpoint of AB, MN parallel BC, this much is given. So I can write N is the midpoint of AC. That means N is the midpoint of AC. Okay. So first of all, you have to write that. Here I am not writing, but you have to write. What you will write? If M is the midpoint of AB, MN is parallel to BC, that means N is the midpoint of AC by midpoint theorem. This much you have to write. If you are not writing that, laddu you will get. Okay. So you have to write down all the things. So here I am not writing that. What I am writing? N is the midpoint of AC. This is what I have got. Okay. So if N is the midpoint of AC, as I told you that I can write the whole line. Okay. Whole line I can write. So I am writing that AM by AB equal to AN by AC equal to MN by BC. This much I am writing. Right. Now let's see what is given in this question. That find the length of AN and MN. AN we have to find this much, we have to find AN, and MN we have to find this one also we have to find. And if BC is 7 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, and AC is 5 centimeter. AC, the complete one. AC is 5 centimeter. Okay, so this much we have to find, this much we have to find. Now we know this relation BC equal to 2MN. Do you know this? BC is 2MN. I already told you. BC is 2MN. So we will use that formula. BC is 2MN. BC equal to 2MN. BC is 7 centimeters. Given in the question. Equal to 2MN. So MN equal to 7 by 2. That is 3.5 centimeter. So MN is 3.5 centimeter. Understood? MN is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find AN. AN. To find AN, we'll use this equation. This equation. Let me rub this portion. I don't have space here. Okay. AM by AB. AM by AB I do not require. Let us cut it. We'll take this much. AN by AC. AN we do not know. AN. AC. What is AC? AC is 5. 5 equal to MN by BC. What is MN? MN is 3.5. 3.5 by BC. BC is 7. 7. Okay. So 3.5 2s are. Now cross multiply 2AN equal to 5. So AN equal to 5 by 2. That is 2.5 centimeter. Right? So this is midpoint theorem. So what we have seen in midpoint theorem, if you join two midpoints, okay, then the line becomes parallel to the third side. And also we can write this equation. It's very important. Okay. And we also can say that this BC is half of this small length. Okay, this is half of that line joining by the midpoints. Got it? So this is midpoint theorem. We'll discuss more sums in the second part of this video. The link is there in the description box. Okay, this was for this video. Thank you.